Okay, so we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1, and then we're going to do 2 to 3 egg whites. This is 3, so I'm just going to pour that in. And then following that, flour. So that's going to require us to pour that in. And this is a 1/2 cup. We're going to put good enough, 2. Okay, and then we're going to do a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, which should be good enough for me. And then we're going to sift that. And then it calls for brandy, but we're going to use a 1/4 cup of some Coke. So I'm going to lightly measure this, kind of, maybe just toss up. And then, of course, we're going to give it a light stir. The recipe actually calls for a wooden spoon. That's right. So just gonna get this going a little bit, just to get it kind of mixed up a little bit. I like living, so we're just going to go ahead and dump a good bit. And then, once again, we're just going to mix this. And then, if it seems like there's too much sugar, you're probably right. Seems to, one of the other things it asked for is actually 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1/2 stick of melted butter. It just seems like it would add to the greasiness. And then after that, you're going to want to mix that for a good minute. And then following that, you're going to want to, it calls for 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which I'm going to do a teaspoon because it seems easiest. And then pour that in. Take this, I'm going to use this to scoop, and size them roughly to kind of try and keep the same size. And then dump them into the pan and hope that you can get them to kind of ball. Of course, you can't necessarily get them to be too balled up because you're baking. So you're just going to keep scooping. And then you're going to want to try and ball these up as much as possible. And following that, throw them in the oven at about 350 for anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, now that we made those, we're actually going to take them and we're going to try and make them more ball shaped. So what we're going to do is I have the same mix set up, so we just made that. And then we're just going to take a little bit more flour and add in for just a little bit. And then we're going to add a cup of baking powder, which is it's a teaspoon. So we're just going to take this, a little bit more than a teaspoon, I guess, dump that in there, and then take a little baking soda to add a little fluffiness. And then that should be about a teaspoon. And then we're just going to mix. This time, the only difference in the pan is going to be just doing a spritz that, but then do a spritz into the cup that I'm going to try and use to shape. So we're going to try and get a good amount in here, and then if we have to, we'll repack. And basically what I'm trying to get is as much of a ball shape from the cup as possible. So there's one, we did 4 before, we'll do 4 now. And then this time, finished product should look something like that. A little more elevated this time. Looks almost like a burger or a patty. Couldn't really get a full ball, but we're gonna try this time. And then this is the final result of the second ones. As you can see, the powder helped them gain thickness, but still not as round as a ball, and they got really like elongated. So